Mummy?
Yes, darling?
How long will you be away for?
Oh, maybe a few days, maybe longer.
Daddy says you're going to fight, but my teacher at school says it's very naughty to fight.
Yeah, but this is different. I've got a reason to fight.
But why?
I'm fighting for my country. But more importantly, I'm fighting for you and Daddy.
That's more like a brace, no, I like that. That's it. Have you got that already?
She's bored.
The boys have arrived. These boys are my star pupils in the class. Hey, sit there, boys, right? These are the boys I've been telling you about, Diane, right? This is George, right? And that's Lois. You'll be working with these boys, won't you? You'll love it. But Diane here, she'll be starting next term, right? And I want you both to be looking after her, right? Would you like to have this present? God, look at all the boys I brought you, eh? You have a wee shot at me, right? You have a wee shot. You give them, right? I tell you what, Diane, you'll be doing this, right? You'll be doing this next term. Are you ready? Right. Who's? Who's?
Yeah? Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
Big surprise.
I just popped in to see Daddy.
So, okay.
I just flew in. They're shooting really well. I got the front cover.
Yes!
Well, come on then. Can you show me your latest moves?
Yeah.
Woo!